I don't know why they started attacking us out of nowhere. Yeah. Ah! This might be the melons sabotaging us. How dare they do that? Yo, I look drippy. Yes. I heard that we sabotaged them. Yeah. Oh, you another melon. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Bring it on. Ah. Right. Yeah. Oi. Ah. Yeah. My face away. Oh, you are a melon. Yeah. Just keep your melon.